Welcome to the Stage tab. Here's where the real magic happens. Here you will be creating your next amazing film in no time at all. At the center of the stage, we have your scene. This is where you'll be using most of the tools and how you'll be previewing and creating. At the bottom of the screen, we have the timeline. Here is where your animation can be played and modified. To play your animation, click the play button on the right side of the screen, and to pause again, click the pause button. You can preview and edit any part of the animation by simply clicking and dragging your mouse left and right over the timeline and selecting at what time you want to see. If your animation is too long or doesn't go for long enough, you can change how many seconds the animation will play for here. Now, to edit and change objects, first you have to select it. To select an object already placed, simply click the name tag under the object, and once an object is selected, you can select either the Move, Rotate, or Scale tool to change and play around with how your model looks. Keep in mind where your timeline position is, as all changes made to an object are recorded at that time, so you can animate between them during an animation. To add any new models, you can either click the stage floor and select the large plus icon that appears, or you can select an existing model in the scene and also press the large plus icon to add a new model or puppet at that position. Once you have all of your characters up and moving, you can animate the camera using the director mode, which can be toggled on and off using the camera button in the bottom left corner. In this mode, all changes to the camera will be recorded, so you're able to move through the timeline and animate the position and rotation of your camera to best suit the action. To return back to the edit mode, you can select the cross icon in the bottom left corner. In the top corner, you can change through a number of settings to set your animation with the right stage. The sun icon allows you to change your scene lighting. The mountain icon allows you to change the environment to get the right area for animation. And the final two buttons allow you to toggle the grid on the floor as well as the name tags of the objects. Once you've created the next big film hit, or if you want to see any previously made films, you can navigate to the Save and Load buttons in the bottom right corner. Finally, if you ever get stuck and don't know what a specific option will do, you can hover your mouse over anything and helpful hints will be given for that option. And, if you need more help, a list of all shortcuts in these tutorial videos can be found by clicking the button in the bottom left. Now get creating!